Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ram 1500 front bumper. First, gather all your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure your Ram 1500 is parked securely on a level surface with the engine completely off. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. This simple step prevents accidental shorts or power surges during the removal process. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the various components. Begin by carefully removing the plastic trim clips and fasteners that secure the fender liners. A trim removal tool will make this much easier. Next, locate and unplug any electrical connectors for your fog lights or parking sensors. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Finally, carefully detach the entire wiring harness from the bumper assembly, ensuring all connections are free. With the electrical components disconnected, it's time to tackle the main mounting bolts. Locate and loosen the primary mounting bolts on each side of the frame, typically found near the front of the vehicle. It's crucial to have a helper or a sturdy jack stand to support the bumper before you remove the very last bolts. This prevents the bumper from falling and potentially causing damage or injury. Once all bolts are out, carefully slide the entire bumper assembly straight off the vehicle. After successfully removing the bumper, take a moment to inspect the frame and mounting points for any signs of damage, rust, or corrosion. This is a great opportunity for maintenance. Store your bumper safely in a clean, dry area to prevent any scratches or dents while it's off the vehicle. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.